And ABC7 business commentator Richard Stern is joining us now with some great news that Richard, up arrows across the board on Wall Street to start the week.
And that's the way we like to start the week, and we certainly did. We saw triple-digit gains almost all morning, double-digit gains in the afternoon, finished in between, as I'm about to show you. But a lot of it has to do with, number one, very, very good corporate earnings. Number two, a huge takeover announcement over the weekend. AT&T looking to buy Time Warner for a mere $85 billion. Certainly didn't hurt the mood on Wall Street. And as I say, all day long, nothing but up arrows. Let's take a look at the closing numbers. There you see the Dow up more than 77 points, better than 0.4%, closing at 18,223.03. That on volume of 691 million shares. The Nasdaq was the star of our show, up by exactly 1%, more than 52 points, closing at 5,309.83. That on volume of 1,616 million shares. The S&P, very much like the Dow, up not quite 0.5%, more than 10 points, closing at 2,151.33. Well, it's not only AT&T and Time Warner. How about the discount brokerage business? TD Ameritrade, the largest discount broker in this country in terms of the number of transactions processed, is buying Scottrade, a smaller but significant player in the discount brokerage business, for $4 billion. That's with a B. TD Ameritrade, of course, is based on Toronto Dominion. You may be familiar with that. The deal is expected to close by September of next year, September 2017. And as many of you may know, the volume has been rather low lately. The volatility has been low. Therefore, the number of transactions have been low, and those in the discount brokerage business are trying to scramble to see what they can make out of all that. And Haley, that's really the bottom line. It looks like TD Ameritrade is just trying to add another arrow to its quiver, and maybe at a good price.
All right, and Richard, what about news on T-Mobile?
Very good news. They announced earnings actually today, and at the end of the day, the stock was up by 9%. Not bad, not bad at all.
All right, thank you, Richard.
You're welcome.